Yeah, this is Big Ron. I'm hanging out with the man himself, Glord. Jamaica we're in right now. The man is driving. We'll see what's going on here. What's up, Glord? What's up? What's up?
Yo, we're there give thanks and praise for next time, you know? Yeah, for real. It's a blessing today this morning, I can show.
Music, your music. You think music is life, and what's the deal with that?
Well, it's such a cosmos journey, like where, I don't know, it's like music that's gotta constantly be listened to and played and stuff, you know?
Your experience, why you started this music, what made you dedicate your life to your music?
Well, you know, ever since I was a child, I used to hear a lot of sounds in the air, so I used to try to play a little recorder. Then I came up from that to playing a clarinet. Then I started doing lyrics. I used to like the rap music when I was a teenager. And later on in life, some elderly people told me it'd be better if I tried to sing. So now basically I'm just singing, you know, do a little DJ song and all that.
What are some of the artists you look up to?
Well, it would be hard right now to say there's so many good artists out right there. It'd be hard for me to just dwell on somebody. But I look a lot up in myself. You know, I get a lot of inspiration from myself. And even there are a lot of good people out there, but I really don't want to do exactly what everybody else is doing. Light Parks, you know, and like, I mean, I can't, Johnny Clark, good musicians like that, you look at people like that, you know?
Now, your style of music, what kind of music do you produce?
Well, I produce like reggae, R&B, hip-hop.
Let me put you on the spot. Give me something real quick. Give me one of your songs. I hear you just did a song. You know that one I like the best. What's it called? How long?
Oh, you want to hear that one?
Yeah, bust it up.
Acapella?
Acapella.
How long shall they try to make the wrong seem right? Going down the path of wrath, fussing and fighting, yeah. There's no love in your heart, with no peace of mind. There's no love in your soul, with no self-control. Where do children go with no direction? Who's gonna show them life and affection today? Oh, that's a part of it. You like that?
No doubt. I like this dirty stinking. We hear about dirty stinking Babylon. What was that about?
Well, Babylon is just a song about the system that we living in. You know what I mean? Ain't nothing we can do about it. The same old story. We all heard and understand the Babylon definition is confusion and stuff like that. So when I'm singing like dirty stinking sour, ugly, nasty stinking, dirty sour Babylon, I'm singing like the city we living in. We're going way back to the days of Nebuchadnezzar. You know? We're not dealing with an individual person. I mean, I know a lot of people look at police as Babylon and I mean, it's all in the part of the role when we have to play, but you know what I'm saying? Dirty stinking sour, ugly, nasty stinking, dirty sour Babylon. Never change your ways, I know now. They abuse them, catch up in a follow fashion, and every day they go into destruction. And every time we try to find a way to win, we end up in a problem, yes, we end up in a sin. You stinking dirty, sour, ugly, nasty, dirty Babylon.
That's my favorite song.
Yeah, man.
Every day, you know.
It's like I got it mixed up with half dub poetry and half singing. I'm singing half of it, I'm doing, you know, trying to make, I mean, you did that message across.
No doubt. When Big Ron is hanging out in Jamaica, it's definitely Mandeville, hanging out with Glord, fighting against, what's that? Dirty, sour, stinking, ugly,
nasty,
sour, nuts, nasty. That's a wicked song. Say it again.
Dirty, stinking, sour, ugly, nasty, stinking, dirty, sour, Babylon. You know? Do you never change?
Do you actually keep track of those words exactly in the order, or do you mix it up sometimes?
I don't know, to tell the truth. It's just a message across, you know, so I never know really. You have to listen to the album.
No doubt. So what do you say to people abroad? How's Jamaica for you? You're American or Jamaican?
Well, I'm American. I've been living here since I was a kid. My parents are American too. Well, my grandparents are Jamaican, so you know, a lot of people stay so. And then grandparents are Jamaican and live there. But when I look at America now, great place of opportunity. You can do anything in America. How you want to be? You want to be a bum? You want to be a millionaire? What you want to do, you know? In Jamaica now, it's rough for the youth there.
Okay.
But I mean, America ain't all that, in a sense where I try to advise someone to kill out themselves for people to try to get there, because there ain't no better roses anywhere. But America's a nice place to live, just like Jamaica.
We're gonna go into Mandeville City profile for a second, but the flavor and the music in Jamaica, does that have any influence on your vibe? Do you come here for the vibe?
Yeah, I come here for spiritual healing. You know, I used to be here with my grandmother for a long time. She passed on, so you know, basically that's one reason why I'm here so long too. But I'm glad that I'm here.
So you take life slow, take it easy.
Yeah, I'm not really fussy about anything. You know, a lot of people try to obtain the world, but I don't really love anything that's in the world. I just love the Creator and just to live life and live loving with people, you know?
No doubt, no doubt.
Yeah, that's all.
So where you gonna take this music?
All different angles of the cosmos. So universally, I'm just gonna touch every crevice and corner, from heaven all the way down to the bowels of hell.
No doubt.
You understand what I'm saying? So everybody gonna have access to hear it. Who wanna listen to it?
What's one of your favorite songs?
You mean my songs?
Yeah, yeah.
One of my favorite songs would be like, Blessed be my Lord, the Lion of Judah. I like that song. There's another song I like listening to. It's called Dreams of Zion. I like that song. Yeah, basically, I gotta work on some more too. Cause I know I got better songs out that I haven't recorded yet. So I'm trying to go work on some instrumental music too, you know?
So the purpose in life for you is?
Just to be sharing and caring with people and try to make good music, you know? Sometimes you have music that sound like rubbish. That's because the majority of people like foolishness, so you can always make it doing something easy. I mean, if you want a DJ, maybe look at how we now roll and me want to get your voice out. That's good. I don't see nothing wrong with that. You understand what I'm saying? I mean, if you can sing, you sing.
Give me a little hip-hop flavor.
Blessed, we off from the place to be. He caught me off guard, yo, and now I set it free. I'm on the hillside, flowing by the Harbish area. How to pronounce that word? Nah, I don't know. I'm ready. And you know what I'm saying? You know how hip-hop is. Rap music is like a freestyle, yeah. You just freestyle yourself, are we on? You know how freestyling goes. It's different than writing.
If you could change the world, what would you change?
I'd change all evil into good. Try to balance everything where everybody would be comfortable. Nobody wouldn't have no pain. Nobody would have nothing to worry about more than just trying to give thanks and praise to the God. The creator of days, you know?
Growing up, what was one of the most beautiful things you've experienced in your life?
Boy, one of the most beautiful things I've ever experienced in my life, boy, was just smoking some herbs and giving praise and thanks to the Almighty and eating some food, you know? That was one of the most wonderful experiences I've ever had.
Liberty.
Liberty-wise, there's an hour staying over there, right? Yeah, man. But the Jamaica for America, you would still catch up in the system, man. I got you. It's a small country, so Jama. The reason you hear so much violence because the people have no space, really. And the money ain't got no value. I mean, you know. My biggest dream right now, sell 2,000 CDs at 10 English pounds or US dollar. My dreams are through. I don't know what them other guys in the music world was looking for. But I can thank God that my dream was already fulfilled. I ain't got no producers or anybody trying to really force me or pressure me into their music. Or to, you know, I'm not trying to do anything for anybody right now. Unless they can come talk to me the right way and deal with a good business perspective, I can do that. I mean, I work with anybody, but I'm just producing myself. I'm producing basically just studio time and everything. You understand?
No doubt. All right, signing out till next time. I'm going to hit the streets again with a man called Glord. Sign off with a tune or something. Give them a vibe.
Deep down in Jamaica, I live in the hills. Everything's so natural, everything is so real. Smoke up the herbs, eat some fruits and give thanks. Jah is the blessing overall in the ranks, yeah. Them way there, no?
Just like that for the vibe. Stay alive. This is Big Ron again with the Music Revolution 1. Word up.